Hello, my name is Wesley Self from Vanderbilt University Medical Center, and I am one of the researchers who worked on the Pass It On study. The Pass It On study was a clinical trial completed to learn if convalescent plasma is effective at helping patients hospitalized with COVID-19 recover. We have completed this study, and the results show that convalescent plasma was not helpful for patients hospitalized with COVID-19. What is convalescent plasma? Convalescent plasma is the yellow part of the blood that comes from people who have recovered from an illness. Many people who have COVID-19 and recover develop antibodies that help fight the virus. These antibodies are found in their convalescent plasma. The hope was that it would be helpful to give these antibodies from one person who have already recovered from COVID-19 to another person early in the course of COVID-19 who has not developed their own antibodies yet. To test this in the Pass It On trial, plasma from patients who had already recovered from COVID-19 was given to patients in the hospital who were sick with COVID to see if it would help them recover faster. The Pass It On trial took place in 26 hospitals across the United States. A total of 974 people joined the trial. Trial participants came from many different racial and ethnic backgrounds, including white, Black, Hispanic, Asian, American Indian, and Pacific Islander. Many of the trial participants had chronic medical conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, lung disease, kidney disease, and cancer. Almost any patient who had COVID who had not already received convalescent plasma or monoclonal antibodies was eligible to be in the Pass It On trial. What did this study show us about convalescent plasma as a treatment for COVID-19? The results of the study showed that there was no benefit to using convalescent plasma in patients hospitalized with COVID. In this study, treatment with convalescent plasma did not decrease the risk of death or the risk of being put on life support and did not shorten the time to clinical recovery. This means that convalescent plasma, even with high levels of antibodies, did not help patients admitted to the hospital with COVID-19. These findings from the study are important. They give researchers and physicians strong evidence that using convalescent plasma to treat severely ill patients in the hospital with COVID is unlikely to be helpful. The Pass It On study team would like to express our gratitude to all the participants who took part in this trial, as well as their families and loved ones. We would also like to share our heartfelt thank you to the many community organizations and people who collaborated with the trial and helped raise awareness about this research. If you're interested in learning more about other COVID-19 clinical trials, please visit researchmatch.org, Combat COVID, and Trials Today.